call me back. I'm somewhere and I'm very busy. Can you call me back, please?
Well, I'm sure you've also seen it yourself. It's very sad that in this 21st century, we still have heartless individuals who want to make life unbearable for the rest of the citizens. This is dastardly act, and I'd like to assure you that those behind it will not go unpunished. Well, security, like I have always said and maintained, is everybody's business. You're right, the attempted attack, if truly you consider it to be an attack, it's an infringement on the security, a violation of the security arrangement within the airport. It's actually not an attack in the strict sense of it. But that's not what is important. What is important is that two persons, died, and then there are actions that the military, had to undertake. So that again, combined with this, is a combination. Maybe if for just for the purpose of clarity, what you found in Kaduna the other day has to do with a transit of the Boko Haram, the bandits who were in motorcycles, and that they happened to be, within the presence of the airport. They were not on the runway, I hope you know, but of course were within the vicinity of the airport, which to us is too close for comfort, no doubt about it. But it's certainly not an attack. It was in the process of their, transit that they had, the brush with the civil security arrangement within the airport, and that's what led to the death of that, gentleman as well as the Nema person. But beyond that, here what you find is what I consider to be a calculated attempt. I'm sure, given the geography of what you just said, that it must have been something that was timed, that was deliberate. But then, of course, we build on this knowledge and then to be able to go after them. What I like to assure Nigerians is that those who indeed were responsible for this dastardly act will be punished and they'll be brought to justice. That is an assurance. And then to also say that the armed forces, the police, and of course security agencies, intelligence and security agencies remain very committed to ensuring that we have peace within our land. I'm sure if not for this very ignoble act of yesterday, for a long time we have had some form of reprieve. But of course we are not resting on our laurels. We're going to build on some of the lessons we've learned and then to see how well to drive it forward.
Please.